In 2017, a guy named Neil Gaiman shared a post in his blog about a time when he was invited to a party that included one of the most notable and successful people at the time. Now, Neil was a very notable English writer, and he definitely deserved to be invited to that party. But he himself didn't feel that way. He actually felt like a complete fraud who lied his way into that party, and he didn't deserve to be with all these successful people who did so much. So he shared that thought with another guy named Neil who was also at that party, and he was surprised to hear that the other Neil felt the same exact way. Now, this story might be completely meaningless to you, but what if I tell you that the other Neil was none other than Neil Armstrong himself? If you don't know who Neil Armstrong is, this is the guy who first set foot on the moon. What both these Neils felt was something in psychology known as the imposter syndrome. I don't want to get into the psychological details of this phenomenon. I just want to make it known that it's completely normal to feel this way, especially if you're a programmer. A lot of people think that just because you're sitting on your computer writing code, then you should know how to fix anything that has a circuit in it. And I think that puts a lot of pressure on a lot of programmers, even though it's completely wrong. You still feel like a fraud sometimes when you don't know how to do something that other people expect you to know. Especially with the rise of AI coding and vibe coding now, a lot of programmers are feeling less confident in their skills, which is completely absurd, of course, because AI can only do what it was trained on. But most companies need programmers so they can solve the things that have never been solved before. And AI can't do that, or at least it will struggle or give wrong solutions to that problem. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't feel like an imposter or that if you have imposter syndrome then there's something wrong with you. I'm saying the exact opposite actually, because people who never feel like an imposter are probably the real imposters. And if you ever felt completely lost or you don't know what you're doing as a programmer, then know that the inventor of Python himself shares that feeling with you. And if you talk to any experienced programmers, you will know that the only thing that matters is solving the problem at hand. It doesn't matter if you come up with the solution with your own intelligence or you copy it from somewhere. As long as the problem is solved and you understand what you're writing, that's all that matters. I've been feeling this way a lot recently, so I just wanted to talk about it for a little bit, see what you guys think, if you guys share the same feeling. So if you made it this far into the video, then please share your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching.